Hey guys, Big D here. We're out in the garage giving you an update on the Chevy Truck Month community build. I got some of the painting done out here, little rattle can painting, so I'm going to show you where it is and what I got. Just a second here. Okay, first thing there, we got the motor, did orange for Chevy orange. Here we got some of the, there's the firewall and the wheel wells there. Here is the, let's grab it, here's the chassis. Okay. And then I got the sprues from a number of the suspension parts there. And then for the axles, I went, the kit called for gold, but I went purple on them. I'm kind of trying to do this one without using without buying any paint, using up some of the older paints I have. So I don't have gold, so I painted them purple. That's plum crazy purple. And then with the black, you're looking at, I used flat black when really it maybe could have been gloss black, but and then the paints I used are right here. This one is the flat black. This is a Tester's Competition Orange. This is a Model Masters Plum Crazy Purple. And then this one, that's that Diamond Dust. That's the one I did that silver Chevelle in. And that was the color I used on the silver you're looking at here. Okay, so that's what I got painted so far. Tonight I'm going to look at doing some hand painting on the engine parts. I did a little dechroming on that. So I'm going to look at getting that engine done soon. And then, you know, it's on to the chassis, get the chassis ready. I'm still doing a little body work, a little sanding and everything like that. And then I haven't fully decided on a color for the interior yet. But we'll figure it out. So anyway, that's what I have so far on the Chevy Truck Month build. Been watching a lot of videos out there. Fantastic, excellent work, everybody. Yeah, that's all I have for this video. Hope everyone's doing well, having a good night, and thank you for watching.